India and France kicked off Exercise Shakti 2025 this June in France. Over 90 soldiers from each country trained side by side in advanced counter-terror and peacekeeping missions. This joint drill focused on urban warfare, hostage rescue, and unmandated operations. It's part of a growing military bond between both nations, and it happens every 2 years. The goal? Stronger teamwork, better tactics, and shared defense against global threats. This is not just about military drills, it's about trust, readiness, and power projection. Stay tuned for more global defense updates because geopolitics never sleeps. If global defense, diplomacy, and deep analysis interest you, hit subscribe and stay ahead of the headlines.